Hello class, and welcome to chapter 6. In this lecture we're going to be talking about the TOWS analysis. So let's get started. The TOWS matrix is a way to look at the SWOT analysis in a sense, but we're looking at it from a slightly different perspective. We're actually using it more so as a brainstorming tool to help us think of ideas or strategies that we can use within the company. If you look at the X and the Y axis, you'll see that we have external factors on one side and internal factors on the other side. So once again, when it comes to the SWOT analysis, external factors are opportunities and threats, while internal factors are strengths and weaknesses. This grid is pretty simple in that it has 4 quadrants, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 4 quadrants are areas where you could generate strategies to help capitalize on categories that intersect. So let's take a look at this. Opportunities and strengths. They intersect in quadrant number 1 here. So you can see the SO strategies. So here you want to put down ideas that help you capitalize on the opportunities that are out there in the marketplace while simultaneously using your strengths. So what strengths do you have within the company that can help you capitalize on the opportunities that currently exist outside the company? Going down to the next quadrant, number 2, you'll see that we have threats and also strengths. So you have ST in this quadrant right here. This is where you want to generate ideas or strategies that can help capitalize on the strengths of the company but minimize the threats that the organization faces. You've probably seen the pattern here. When it comes to WO strategies, we're looking at weaknesses and opportunities. What are some areas where the weaknesses of the company may be able to help you exploit or benefit opportunities, or vice versa, opportunities that exist outside the company that may help reduce or eliminate some of the weaknesses within your company. And then you have WT strategies. These are strategies, once again, that look at both weaknesses and threats, and you generate ideas to help deal with both of those. That's how you use the TOWS analysis. If you have any questions, be sure to email me, or if we have class, ask me in class. Thank you, and I'll see you later. Take care.